So you just learned about copywriting and already thinking about living in a Dubai penthouse. Well, before that, you need to actually know how to write copy, which is exactly what I'll be discussing in this video. You may already know how to write an email, but when it comes to writing copywriting emails, it's completely different. While you may write a subject line to give a friend or a colleague a hint on what to expect when reading a personal email, in a copywriting email, the main goal of a subject line is to sell, or you've wasted 90% of your advertising money. That's something that's been said by David Ogilvy, a copywriting legend who's known for large campaigns such as Rolls-Royce and for McDonald's. Just think about it. In this age of decreased attention spans, if your headline doesn't give a clear benefit to your prospect, then don't expect to have any dollars flying into your pocket. The second thing you need to know about is you need to have a strong hook for every single one of your emails. What what this actually entails is the first few sentences of your copy should entice the reader to carry on reading. Instead of just mindlessly scrolling through Instagram, actually pay attention to all the hooks of your favorite videos. This will allow for you to actually learn what an effective hook looks like, and then you can apply to your own work. The Another important thing that you need to learn about is how to use emotional triggers when it comes to writing copy, because every single product has an emotion attached to it. Oh damn, my camera fell. Oh damn, shit. Insurance companies may use fear in order to sell you their services and products, and fitness programs may have insecurities that are actually related to one's body. By choosing the right to write about the right emotion for the right type of product, you get to connect with the customer on a far deeper level, and because of that, it makes them feel even more heard. And the last thing to wrap it up is you need a clear call to action. Sometimes people may need to be told exactly what to do to avoid any confusion. By clearly stating what they should do next, this greatly increases your conversions, and by doing that you get to make more money from people who would have otherwise not followed through with any action. And just like that, you have your first copywriting email. If you want more helpful videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.